Portwell Nano 6065, the next generation Nano ITX board. Compact in size, powerful in capability. Powered by the latest Intel processor, Nano 6065 delivers scalable computing performance tailored to various applications. With DDR5 memory and M.2 expansion, it ensures faster data throughput and flexible module integration from 5G to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Supporting from 12 to 24 volt DC input, dual 2.5G LAN, and TPM 2.0, it's designed for stability, speed, and secure operation in every environment. Its triple display output including dual HDMI and Type-C brings high-resolution visualization for next-generation signage and smart retail systems. Nano 6065 empowers industries with rich I/O, multiple network interfaces, and flexible expansion. Whether in control rooms, kiosks, or retail terminals, it brings intelligence to every corner of industrial innovation. For more solutions, contact Portwell.